The shocking murder of Bahujan Samaj Party state president K. Armstrong has raised serious questions about the law and order situation in the capital city of Tamil Nadu. 3 days after the killing of the state president of a national party, the Tamil Nadu government on Monday shunted out Sandeep Rai Rathore as Chennai Police Commissioner and replaced him with senior officer A. Arun. Chennai's outgoing police commissioner's press interaction following the high-profile murder had come under severe criticism, and it is suspected that it may have been one of the reasons why he was shunted out. So what did Sandeep Rai Rathore say during his press conference which ultimately may have led to his downfall? Sandeep Rai Rathore had cited data to say that all was well in Chennai. He said that halfway into 2023 there were 63 murders, but this year the number is 58, stressing that there were 5 fewer murders. Let's listen to him.
Last year have actually come down. First 6-month murder figure. So first 6-month murder figure have actually come down. Other last year also நீங்க பாத்தீங்க Chennai was also நான் சொல்லலையா இது NCRB data. It is the safest city for women in the country. அதே மாதிரி ஒரு private agency from the UK அவங்க இந்தியன் சிட்டிஸ் இல்ல உலகத்துக்கு எல்லா பெருநகர் பத்தி அவங்க பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இந்தியால they have given Chennai as the safest city in India. So அதுக்கு last year comparative figure பார்த்தனா total murder cases முதல் 6 மாதங்கள்ல நமக்கு கம்மியா இருக்கு. So அந்த murder case கடந்த ஆண்டுல முதல் 6 மாதம் 2023ல 63 மர்டர் இருந்தது. இன்னைக்கு தேதியில நமக்கு till 36/2024 58 மர்டர்ஸ் தான். So இதுல 5 மர்டர் actually declining trendல இருக்கு நம்ம சென்னை சிட்டி பொறுத்தவரை.
Now keep in mind that the Chennai police arrested 8 people within hours of 52-year-old Armstrong's murder. However, BSP Supremo Mayawati demanded a CBI probe, claiming that those who have been arrested so far were not the real culprits. Let's listen to what Mayawati said.
जिस तरीके से शाम के वक्त आकर इनकी हत्या की गई, तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये अब तक यदि सरकार गंभीर होती तो जो असली अपराधी अब तक पकड़े जाते, लेकिन असली अपराधी अभी तक नहीं पकड़े हैं. इसलिए हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से ये चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे जो स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट रहे हैं वो नहीं हमारे बीच में रहे, तो आप न्याय नहीं देना चाहते हैं तो हम चाहेंगे कि ये मामला सीबीआई को रेफर किया जाए, ताकि जो असली अपराधी हैं तो उनका असली किरदार सामने आ जाए, ये मालूम पड़ जाए कि इसके पीछे हाथ किसका है.
The midnight arrests of the 8 accused have done little to quell the negative mood against the police, as Armstrong supporters have also raised suspicions that those arrested were not the actual accused. Even the ruling DMK's alliance partner, Tamil Nadu Congress President K. Selva Purundugai and the VCK chief, Tirumavalan, have claimed that the real culprits were yet to be arrested. However, Sandeep Rai Rathore had praised his team for the swift arrest, but he did not delve into the motive, saying that there is no political angle. He said that the police had sufficient evidence to prove that those arrested were the ones responsible for the murder of the BSP leader. Let's listen in.
No, as of now, as I said, there are 2-3 angles and leads we have got. We are inquiring into them. Since the case is under investigation and we hope to catch all other accused, further details I will not like to tell.
Not a political murder?
No, it doesn't point toward that. I don't think it's a political murder. That's what I said. It is nothing like that.
There's also criticism that there is an intelligence failure.
There have also been speculations that the Dalit leader was murdered to avenge the death of rowdy Arkat V. Suresh, who was hacked to death in full public view at Pattinam Pakkam in August last year. Additional Commissioner of Police Asra Garg was the first to say that Armstrong was killed in retaliation of Suresh's killing. To add to the confusion among the Chennai police, the main accused detained by the cops in connection with Armstrong's murder is 39-year-old Ponnai V. Balu, younger brother of the slain rowdy Arkat Suresh. Rathore, who had also denied there was any intelligence about possible threats to Armstrong's life. When the reporters present asked how the city police's much advertised mechanism to track rowdy elements in the state did not flag any suspicion, He diverted from the topic and spoke about the preventive detention arrests of rowdies made by the force over the years. It is clear that Armstrong's murder created an atmosphere of tension in Chennai. Rathod's role has been assumed by senior IPS officer A. Arun, who previously served as the ADGP Law and Order, according to an order issued by Principal Secretary P. Amuda of the Home SC Department on Monday.
That's what I told now. I speak the language where we understand.
Do you feel that Sandeep Rathod was made a scapegoat because of the failure of law and order under DMK government? Let us know in the comments below. I am Deepthi Rao and you are watching India Today So South.